For a rainy day means for a possible time in the future when something will be needed. I prepare something now for when it will be needed in the future. In the future, there'll be a bad day, a rainy day, a dark day where something bad happens and I need to have lots of money, or I need to pay for something that I wasn't expecting to pay or wasn't expecting to do. So I'm preparing now for the possible future is the meaning of for a rainy day. For a rainy day は日本語で言うとまさかの時のためにという意味です。Looking at some examples for a rainy day. Number 1, lay up for a rainy day. Gather up, build up, keep something for a rainy day. 2, he never saves money for a rainy day. He doesn't save money in his bank account. He's always using it. When he gets his paycheck, he uses it pretty quickly. He's not slowly building or accumulating money in his bank account. Number 3, this year, instead of spending my bonus, I'm going to keep it for a rainy day. Usually every year I spend my bonus. Once I get it, I quickly go spend it. This year I'm going to put it in the bank and keep it there for a rainy day. 1番目は日本語で言うと、備えあれば憂いなし。2番目は日本語で言うと、彼は毎日のためにお金を貯めるようなことはしない。3番目は日本語で言うと、今年はボーナスを使う代わりに万が一に備えることにするよ。If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and please make a sentence for a rainy day in the comments and I'll check that for you. This idiom will be on the review and test this Friday, so please check for that. If you like my channel, please subscribe and see you next time.